Transform your Costco, run into a restaurant-quality gyro feast right in your own kitchen with this incredibly simple Costco gyro kit tutorial. Unbox your Costco gyro kit, and let's get started. You'll find prisliced, seasoned gyro meat, fluffy pita breads, and that essential creamy tzatziki sauce. First up, the star of the show, the gyro meat. For the best results, we're going to pan-fry it. Open the vacuum-sealed package. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat, no need for extra oil. The meat has plenty of its own flavor and fat for crisping. Carefully place the gyro meat in the hot skillet. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, or until it's nicely browned and slightly crispy. You want to hear that satisfying sizzle. While the meat is cooking, let's prepare our pita bread. You have a couple of easy options for speed. Wrap the pitas in a damp paper towel and microwave them for about 20-30 seconds until warm and pliable. Alternatively, warm them in a toaster oven or a regular oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for just a couple of minutes until they're soft and warm. Once your meat is perfectly cooked and golden, remove it from the skillet and place it on a plate lined with a paper towel to drain any excess grease. Now, take your warm pita bread and gently open it up to create a pocket. Spoon a generous amount of the included tzatziki sauce inside the pita. Don't be shy. Next, add your beautifully cooked gyro meat into the pita pocket, right on top of that delicious sauce. You can stop here for a classic gyro, or add your favorite toppings like fresh tomatoes, onions, or even a sprinkle of feta cheese if you have them on hand. And there you have it, a circumflex gyros. A fantastic, restaurant-style gyro meal made effortlessly and affordably from your Costco haul. Enjoy.